James Madison was a Federalist, did not think that the Bill of Rights was necessary, but he knew that it was a key in the ratification from the states.
Anti-Federalists liked the Constitution, but though it needed to protect the people's rights, so they wanted a Bill of Rights.
James Madison, two other Federalists, Alexander Hamilton and John Jay, wrote a series of papers called Federalist Papers.
The Federalist Papers explain to the American citizens
Created by our founding fathers to protect the rights of American citizens.
The Bill of Rights was the name given to the first 10 amendments to the Constitution.
Although the Bill of Rights is only the first 10 amendments to the Constitution, today there are 27 amendments.
many people thought that the people of the country needed to have rights and be protected under the Constitution. They were called anti-federalists.
Some Americans thought that the Constitution had enough rights to protect citizens. They were Federalists.
There were two groups during the making of the Bill of Rights, Federalists and Anti-Federalists.
Federalists were people who supported the first proposed Constitution. They thought the Constitution did not need a Bill of Rights.
Federalists thought the Constitution did not need a Bill of Rights. They thought the Constitution itself was a Bill of Rights, so it already gave people rights.
There were a total of 85 essays written. Alexander Hamilton wrote 50, James Madison wrote about 30, and John Jay wrote the other 5.
These papers influenced the debate over the Constitution.
Anti-Federalists liked the Constitution, but thought that it didn't protect the citizens' rights, therefore they wanted a Bill of Rights.
The majority of the anti-federalists were small-town people and farmers, although there were some wealthy followers.
Most Federalists were well-known, highly regarded politicians and were wealthy.
Amendments are still being made and throughout of today.
The Bill of Rights is a very important document that gave the citizens of our country the rights they deserved.
If it weren't for our brilliant founding fathers, we might not be fully protected by the Constitution.